Good morning, folks. It's Colin here from Sperrins Outdoors, and today we're actually taking our scouts on a short hike just to dust off the cobwebs in the first hike of 2019. And it's just up a local mountain right beside us here called Slieve Gallion. Now, we've gone up through a forest called Iniscarn Forest. Some of Slieve Gallion and come back down, and then the idea is light the fire pit and have some hot dogs at the bottom. So it's only 2 or 3 hours out, but it's just a nice one to get the scouts loosened up for a bit of hiking this year. The only problem is the Met Office has issued a yellow amber warning, and it's not really over to midday. And it's snowing here at the minute, and the winds are about 30-40 mile an hour winds. And I think a lot of the scouts are probably going to pull out, and a lot of the parents will pull the plug and not want their kid out in that. While I would be hesitant. I'm thinking about cancelling it, but I think I might go ahead with. I'll see at 9 o'clock, see what the weather's like, and I'll make the call in because the hike doesn't start at 10. But anyway, I'm just out here. You see on our shade here at the minute. I'm just out here gathering up a few bits of gear for the hike, and I have some more stuff up in the attic I have to go get as well. And I'm just going to get all the gear ready as if I'm going to take all the scouts out. And if I do call it off, I'll probably just go myself anyway for the hike. It is really cold and breezy, and I don't really want to put the scouts off. A lot of young ones have moved up from cubs, and a lot of new ones, and they're all quite young. And we have 22 scouts, I think it is. And the way the day is, I'll be lucky if I got 8 of them out today if I go ahead. So we'll see how it goes. And the other thing, I'm not getting up to the base camp today. Hope to get up to the base camp during the week and do a wee bit more on that. And that's really the plan. So I'll just gather up the gear here, and I'll go on and I'll record bits of the hike as I go along if I can, depending if I can get the phone out or not. And again, have to watch how I record it because it's the scouts and I really want them shown on the camera very clearly, for protection issues. And that's really it. So there'll be no more talking until the end. I'll see what happens then. I'll do a wee talk at the end. But that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.
True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. You ride the horse so well, hands light to the touch. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. When you ride into the night without a trace behind, run your claw along my gut one last time. I turn to face an empty space where you used to lie, and look for the spark that lights the night through a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. You ride the horse so well, hands light to the touch. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to.